Okay, good morning, guys. Just started a little bit late. I had to take a shower before starting, and I just woke up on time. So, yeah, but it's a great day. Did a 5-minute meditation, and now all focused in to study real well. Exactly 1 week to my exam now. Yep. So I thought that I won't be coming to the pool because it was raining, but it's such good that I came today. Look at that, it's like so weekend. Okay, I just had to get you guys in the water because the weather is like awesome. As you can see, it's raining and it's just another therapeutic level when it's raining and just swimming. It's just so relaxing today. Plus the great thing that there's hardly anyone around. There's only one guy in my lane right now. So yeah. Okay, time to relax and go out. Okay guys, so just packed up with the studying. It was a good day. I just checked the test that I gave today, which was NBME 26. It's supposed to be kind of a little difficult, and I got the highest ever score on this one, which is kind of good, and I feel good on that. Yeah, this is my highest ever score, and good difference in the passing score. So yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, I just need to keep that up. Okay, reviewed half of the exam though. I need to review the rest, but I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, peace. The stream, it's Saturday, April 8th. I don't know if it will be visible. 8:32 a.m. Frederica just says, oh, I am just waiting for you to upload your us vlogs. So here we include Frederica in the vlog and everyone in the chat. Hey guys, Katie, Devyani, Love, Facti, Dana. Okay, let's go. Good luck. Let's study well. Mom got groceries, so time for me to go out. Okay, done with another day of swimming. It was a nice day. Did only 400 meters. That's like the bare minimum, like even less than the bare minimum, like 500. Nice day. You see the sun there? I mean, it's behind the tree, like there. It's Sunday. I generally go out with mom on Sundays, but today we both were sleeping. Like, we woke up like around 10. Slept so well. We'll go out in the evening maybe. So done with the swim. It's Sunday. Just a chill swim. Gonna go back home, dinner as usual, and sleep. And probably go for a drive today. Also need to do 25 questions with Love to finish my NBME 26 review. So yeah. Hey guys, good evening. So I just dropped mom to a friend's place and here at the Buffet Street for a nice, chill, relaxed walk. And gonna go pick up mom back and go home, do some questions and sleep. Meeting a friend. Oh, you're gonna see another friend tomorrow. It's her birthday, so we're gonna extend this. So yeah, good night. But I thought it would be wise to just check if she's home, and glad I did because like she's not in the city. She went to another city for an interview she had today. So well, she's gonna be back soon, but I'm going for exam to Mumbai. She's in Mumbai, and so we'll meet when I'm back. So yeah, that's the thing. So anyways, that was like a just chill drive, and now music. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you've been hard, you're missing home. Only Were we almost forgetting the daily check-in? Yeah, sure we were, but here we are. So it's been a nice day. I finally cleared out my mind about some things that have been going on around, which I cannot share right now. But yeah, it feels great. And how I cleared it is of course by talking to mom. She being my therapist and counselor and helping me out. So great, all good now. Now let's go home and have dinner and study. So that's a wrap. I guess that's going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed the difference this week.